Here guys, this is Higgsfield.ai, one of the most powerful AI that I've come across, and today we'll take a look at it. So this is pretty much the home screen of the website here, which is called Higgsfield. I'll pretty much add the link in the description so you guys can check it out. So there's a lot of AI features which you can use with this website here. I can't even go through all of them, but there's just so much. So first of all, once you do open or log in with your account and so forth on the website, this is pretty much the home screen. As you can see, you have a lot of AI features that you can use. Some of these AI features going to need a subscription. However, you can tap on this down here. Once you do tap on this option here, you'll be able to see all the AI tools and features that they offer for this app, this website here. So in a new section, you pretty much see all their new releases. You can see here quite a lot of AI features which you can use, and these are the specific AI features which they have already set up for you. So it's just a matter of you just uploading a few images or a few videos and you will get pretty much these results. So everything is pretty much made for you already. So it will be easy for you to generate very, very good high quality videos using this website here. And as well, you have the image section here. You can see a lot of AI generated image section here. You can see a lot of tools you can use as well. You have the video section here. As you can see, a lot of AI videos which you can recreate. And all of these are just very, very simple to recreate, guys. They have made a step-by-step process for you to simply replicate these AI features here or AI videos. And most likely all you have to do is pretty much enter a small prompt, or some of them you don't even need to enter a prompt. All you have to do is pretty much upload an image and you pretty much get these results. And you have the editing feature or image editing feature. Sometimes you have the skin enhancer feature here, and a lot of tools which you can use. You have the character option here, which is very popular. You have the video face swap option here. You have the character swap option here, and you have quite a lot of image swap option here. You have the AI dress option here. And if I do scroll across, you have the model option here as well. You have a lot of AI tools which you can use with this here. So all you have to do is just select whichever one of these AI tools that you want to use, Nana Banana, whatever the case is, all up to you. So let's say you're going to select the Nana Banana option here. All you have to pretty much do is just enter the prompt and pretty much can upload an image as a reference, as you already know. And do keep in mind, you're going to require credits to pretty much generate your image, videos, and anything that you're going to use in the application. So it doesn't matter, even if you're getting a subscription, you only be given a limited amount of credits, required amount of credits with that subscription. But if those credits are finished, you're still going to need more credits. So that's pretty much it for that here. And once you're going to use this feature here, you have the image generation feature. You can tap on the model option and pretty much can see a lot of model which is available for you to use, guys. A lot of AI models, and they do tell you as it relates to what their upsides as it relates to each model. So do make sure we underneath the name so you can pretty much know what you're going to use. So that's pretty much it for that there. And let's say I've selected the Nana Banana option here. You may want to change from not just using the Nana Banana image creation. Probably want to use the video generation. You can tap on this option here. And here be able to see all the AI features as it relates to, let's say you want to use the video generation feature here, just tap on the video option here. And as well, you're going to see a lot of AI templates which you can use. So these are quite a lot of AI templates which you can choose from. You have the new option here. You can see here, you have a lot of templates which you can use. And these are just ready-made templates. All you have to do is pretty much upload an image and you get these results. You can see you can scroll across and see pretty much what you want. And if you don't want that option, you can really clean AI option here. Just scroll across or select whichever one of these you want to use. You can see at the top here, just select the clean 2.5. As you can see here, you have other templates as it relates to this as well. You have the Cling 2.6, which you can use as well, as you can see here. And all you have to pretty much do, if you do want to try out one of these templates here, just select the one that you want to use and tap on the next option. And here be able to enter the prompt and pretty much everything as it relates to that. So if you don't want to use the Cling model, you can always tap on this option down here and change the AI model or the video creation model that you want to use. So if you want to use the Higgsfield, their own AI model, you can go ahead. If you want to use OpenAI Sora 2, you can go ahead and use it as well. So let's say I've selected that option. So do keep in mind, based on the AI model that you're using, it's going to charge you different amount of credits. So if you're going to select the Sora 2 Max version, you just tap on that option here and it will pretty much change everything. So here be able to generate your videos and everything as it relates to that. As you can see here, they do give you update as it relates to human faces for this here. And as well, you can adjust the duration, the resolution, and the aspect ratio. So very, very powerful AI tool, and there's so much AI tools you can use. All of them are very simple. And as you can see, our other options down here as well. You can create that AI video. Tap on that option if you want to create a AI video as well. As you can see here, and you can always go ahead and change the AI model that you want to use. So there's just so much features for this application, for this website here. And as well as it relates to the subscription or the prices for the subscription, you will pretty much just always be seeing 50% off. And you can pretty much tap on get with the 50% off option, and you pretty much will see the prices for your subscription. So here you'll be able to see the monthly and annual subscription prices. As you can see here, you have the ultimate plan, you have the creator plan, and you have the pro plan, as you can see here. And this is pretty much the basic plan that we only be using. So it's all depends upon you and which plan you want. As you can see here, this is the individual plan, and here over here is the team plan. As you can see, as it relates to their prices, you may need to contact the developers. You can see here for that plan there, you have the team plan down here, which is $50 a month, and you have other plans down here as well. So do keep in mind, they do give you a set amount of credits per month. So those credits are going to be needed for you to generate your videos and so forth. So yeah, and pretty much once you have generated any video at all, you can always go in the gallery section here and be able to see all the videos, images, and everything that you have generated on the application. And let's say you may want to edit something, whether it be video or image. All you have to do is tap on what you want to edit, tap on this option here. If you want to download it, tap on this option here. If you want to share it, tap on that option there. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. And if you do want to delete it, you can just tap on this option here. And if you do want to use the same prompt and create something different, you can tap on the rerun option here. And with the profile option here as well, this is pretty much your profile as it relates to the Higgsfield community. So the Higgsfield community has a lot of videos which you can use, as you can see here, a lot of AI videos that's been created by other people, and as well the platform itself. And you pretty much can just tap on any one of these videos and you can pretty much recreate or create the same video and even edit it to your liking. So it's all up to you and what you guys want to do. We have the images as well that they have pretty much created here. As you can see, you have the video section here, and you pretty much can easily replicate these AI videos that they have created by just tapping on the cloud option here, and you can pretty much see the prompt that they have used to create the videos. So very good AI tool. And if you do scroll down again, you pretty much see other images and videos that people have created on the platform. So as you can see here, this option here, you tap on this, be able to pretty much see everything as relates to that. You can tap on create and generate something like this. As well, you can download what they have created. So very good websites, not gonna lie. And if you do have any problem, you can let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you out. If you have any question at all, you can let me know as well in the comment section, and we'll see if we can help you out, guys. And don't forget to check out the link below so you guys can go and check out the website Higgsfield.ai. Check it out. See you in the next one.